your background, previously you were in kind of operations and logistics and process focus. Talk about
Yes.
that a little bit and where that fits for you.
Right. So my background is manufacturing operations. So I started manufacturing in quality, right? Nobody wants to see the quality person coming because quality costs money, right? But when
Yeah.
you build quality in, which is what the Watchman Laundry Service has done, quality is, part of that thing that makes the operations efficient and it makes you look well in front of the customer. But my role outside of quality when I moved into operations was operational efficiency and finding areas where we could save money, and we talk about saving money and people think that that is, cutting people. Not the truth, right? We're always going to need people. We're going to need people to feed these machines information and all kinds of other things. And so that background in operational efficiency really helped me to find my way in this side of the business, right? Because our business is, I'm not, I feel like we're very well run, you know, like we are a small team, but we cover a lot of ground and it's by design,
Yeah.
I think, more is not always good, you know.
Yeah, you can be proud. Don't be afraid to be
I'm
proud
sorry.
here, Sachel.
Well,
I
thank you.
mean, if you're doing it, you're doing it right. You do it right, right? I mean, come
Thank
on.
you. Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you.
I mean, I think at the end of the day, everybody wants to be a little bit more lean, right? More efficient. Because guess what? That means not only are you making more money, you can pay your people
Uh-huh.
more money, and you can have more people. Like you can
Yeah.
just continue that cycle of like building your business and growing. So I think, yeah, be proud, be loud and proud.
All right.
Um,
Well, thank you.